Sometimes you're gonna make a small one. Just a smaller bird and trout knife. It's made out of Nitro V, hand satin finished. You get this Samba Stag for a handle. The overall knife is 142 millimeters long, and the blade length is 66 millimeter. Comes in at 62 grams. The pins are stainless, so typically it's used for a bird trout knife, or we say in German broadside messer. So cutting up fruit, sausages for your snacks or lunch. It comes with a leather sheath that's hand stitched, dark brown in color. The fit of the knife is a friction fit and snaps nice into place. You can find high resolution images on my website at hasagan-knives.com. Thanks for watching.